In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sent requests on Instagram and cancel sent requests step by step. Open the Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. From there, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Choose Account Center. This is Meta's central hub for your account settings and data across Instagram and Facebook. Scroll down and tap your information and permissions. Next, select Export your information. On the following page, tap Create Export. If you have more than one profile connected, select your Instagram profile so the export includes the right account. When Instagram asks where to send the data, choose Export a file, sometimes shown as Export to Device. This option creates a downloadable file that you can save and open on your phone or computer. Now tap Customize Information. By default, a lot of categories may be selected, so tap Clear All to deselect everything. We want only the items that matter for finding sent follow requests. Scroll to the section called Connections. Check the boxes for followers and following, or just the items you want. This is where Instagram includes details related to who you follow, who follows you, and information tied to follow requests. Tap Save to confirm your selection. Under Date Range, choose All Time and then tap Save. This ensures you don't miss older requests. For format, leave it on HTML unless you prefer JSON. HTML opens in a web browser and is easier to read. JSON is more technical and better for data parsing. Tap Start Export. Instagram will begin preparing your file, and you'll see a message letting you know the export is being prepared. This can take a few minutes or longer if your account is large, so don't worry if it isn't instant. When it's ready, open the email linked to your Instagram account. Look for Instagram's export message, then open it and download the file to your device. The download may be a compressed zip file, so unzip it if prompted. Inside the exported data, open the content and navigate to the connections information. There you'll find a list of your sent follow requests, making it easy to review which requests are still pending. That's all you need to access your sent requests. With this list, you can decide which requests you still want out there and which ones you might prefer to remove. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.